This 2019 Keystone Cougar 368 MBI is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 39 feet 4 inches in length and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, loft, mid-bunk. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Keystone Cougar 368 MBI is 11,695 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.